Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, we are going to look at your feelings for your person and then we will head over to your person's side and look at his or her feelings for you. And in the end, we are going to look at this person's future action towards you, and the outcome of this connection is also towards the end of the reading. So stick around till the end. Please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates and leave the rest. And please do like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll be truly grateful for all the likes and subscriptions and the comments. So, Aquarius, I see Queen of Pentacles as your overall energy. This is Virgo energy, but this is also an energy of somebody who's very stable, very grounded. You see this person as somebody very mature, very loving, very motherly. So, you could be dealing with somebody who is a mother or a single parent. Um, but this is also somebody who is very nurturing. So, maybe this person is like that, and you like this, you like that about this person. The person you are thinking of, they want to rush towards you, so maybe there's some distance between the two of you. Could be that you're separated physically or emotionally, but they want to rush in, they want to come towards you. And it's something about, there's something about speed, so they want to come towards you very quickly. Now you have the Seven of Cups. So there's a lot of confusion about this relationship. There's a lot of distractions. There's a lot of things that are not clear. There are illusions here. There could also be other options for you, or you feel that this person has a lot of options, because this relationship looks a bit imbalanced. Okay, it feels like one of you is putting in way too much effort than the other person. So I see an imbalance here in this connection. Now you want to balance things out, you want some clarity, you want some justice, you want to ask this person very clearly as to what's on their mind. Where is this relationship headed? Is this a serious connection or not? So there are a lot of questions on your mind. You want something that is equal. You don't want to be in a relationship with where you are the only one putting the effort. So you want that balance, and you want this person to treat you right. You may also want a long term relationship, maybe a commitment. Now, this person is stuck. They don't know what to do, they don't know how to respond. They are not giving you a commitment because they are not very sure of the future. So, they are feeling very stuck, emotionally, mentally, energetically, they are feeling very caged. They don't know how to take this forward. Now, you're waiting for this person to make up their mind, you're waiting for this reply, this response, and you're waiting for them to give you a positive response. This person is definitely coming in with an offer, but it looks like they're not very, maybe they have a lot of feelings, but they don't share those feelings. You've got the King of Cups here, Scorpio energy. So I see this person coming towards you, but they don't, if they feel 100%, they may only share about 50 with you. So let's just clarify, what is this Queen of Pentacles about? Five of Swords. There could be some other people interfering in this connection as well, creating gossip, creating rumors about you. Maybe these people are creating confusion, like, they're trying to um, they're trying to they're creating doubts in your mind about this relationship. So this could be your friend, this could be family members, this could be people who around you, who you love and who love you back. But there is some kind of a negative talk going on, which is also further pushing you to get some clarity in this relationship, because there's a lot of rumors, there's a lot of ideas being put in your mind. So you want to just get some clarity, okay? And you're being very strong, you're being you're being very bold in asking this person directly. but you feel that you need to ask them because you are hearing too many things. For some of you, you may also be hearing something about them having an affair, them meeting other people, them keeping their options open. So you don't want to believe those rumors. You want to ask this person directly as to where you stand with them and what is the future of this relationship, which is fair enough. So let's see, why is the chariot here for this person? Ten of Swords. They feel they are going through something. Okay, I feel that this person has been through a lot of disappointments in the past. They felt betrayed in the past, and that's what is stopping them from really committing to you, because maybe they've not healed from those past baggage. So they are at a crossroads. They don't know if they like you, but they don't know if it's a practical decision for them to commit. Okay, so sign a Seven of Cups on your side, Queen of Cups. So, like I said, you have deep feelings and emotions for this person, but you don't know what they feel about you. Like there has been no offer here, and you want clarity. Okay. Now, this person is at the Six of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Like I said, they are healing from something. So it's not that they are giving their energy to somebody else or they are putting their effort somewhere else, but they are just not as participative in this connection as you are. And that's why you're feeling, I don't know where this is going. There's a bit of a confusion. So, Justice here on your side, Queen of Wands. So why is the Queen of Wands here with Justice? Four of Cups. So again, like I said, maybe it's possible that this person was dealing with somebody else in the past. Maybe this person is a divorcee, or they are separated from somebody recently, and you're worried about your future with this person, because there is a third party, but this person, the third party is not in their life anymore, but still you are worried that this person may not be interested in you, and they're still interested in someone else. Okay, and they're still interested in their ex. So that is something that is worrying you, and that's why you want clarity. That's why you want this person to make some kind of a commitment here. Eight of Swords, Page of Cups. So you're asking for a new beginning. You're asking for an offer, and this person is, kind of enjoying their single life. They they are in this very independent energy, and maybe it's after a long time that they are single, and they are not maybe in a rush to commit. They don't mind dating, but maybe they are not in a rush to, make a commitment here. So, Three of Wands on your side. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for them to take action. So, King of Wands here, you could be dealing with a fire sign. They are coming towards you with an offer. Okay. Now, let's see what is the action this person is going to take towards you. Wheel of Fortune. So, the universe is actually asking you to be a bit patient here, because I feel it's just a matter of time. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Like I said, maybe they are healing from something, and you don't want to be with somebody who's not completely healed. Seven of Wands. So there are some blockages right now in this relationship. So the universe is saying that these blocks are being lifted. These blocks are, being taken away. But you need to be patient. This person is coming towards you, but maybe it will take them some time to make that effort or make that offer. What is the outcome of this relationship? Hermit. Why is the Hermit here? Virgo energy. Six of Cups. So this separation that you both are going through right now, where you're waiting for a response, uh, the what I see here is, the more you push them, the more this gets delayed. So I would suggest, or whatever I'm seeing here, I feel that you need to give this person some space, because they are going to realize that they want to be with you, because they are thinking about you even while you both are not together, and they will miss you, or they are missing you. So you need to let them miss you. You need to let them understand your value in this relationship, and for that maybe there needs to be some space. So I see that this person is coming back for sure, but you need to give them that time, okay, to heal, to understand their feelings for you, to make a decision. So free yourself. It's time to you. It's time to take back control of your life. So again, I feel Aquarius, you're asked to free yourself from, all the pressure maybe that you're creating for yourself. Forgiving and learning as you release and heal the past to experience more love in your present moments. And we have past life relationship. You have known each other before. So this is what I have for you, Aquarius. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, to subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email ID, or also book through PayPal on my website. The link is on my website. You can check it out there. All the details, website, email is on the screen in the description box. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.